Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. First of all, sorry for my voice, I have got a cold, but we shall get going. So again, 1, 2, 3 drawings, 4 space for the analysis and the summary of how you done. I wanted to continue with the ballerinas as I said previously. If you haven't seen the previous videos, please check them out and let me know what you think. So these are images that I just get off the internet. I type in the subject that I want to draw and choose the selection that comes up and then take screenshots and then go from there. So good speed. I felt as if that these were a good start to the day, especially the fact this was the first drawings that I'd done this morning. And the only things that I would say about these is the feet need work, specifically the one where they're standing. They definitely need a little bit more attention, maybe with the angle, or slightly make them slightly thinner or slimmer at the ankle. I think it's just not really in proportion, I would say. Excuse me. But I do really, and I do feel that these are a good first attempt, especially the fact that this was quite a, I would never have attempted this drawing previously, purely because there was a lot going on. I didn't know how to put the legs in, essentially, when you couldn't see the rest of the body underneath the dress or the skirt, and the way that the back was contorted. And so yeah, it was a challenge, but a really good and fun challenge. So yeah, first and second ones were good attempts. Again, the foot needed some work, but I utilised the geometric and observational methods. If you'd like me to talk about them further, please contact me and I will do a more in-depth video on those methods. The third one, no idea what's happening here. That is so out of proportion, so I'll just put my fingers over it. But yeah, it happens. As I say in the videos, it happens. Sometimes you get 3 out of 3. Sometimes you get 1, some none. And yeah, this third one just did not work out, especially this area. Yeah, it just doesn't work. But I learned a lot from it. As I said, it was a complex position to draw, and I really did enjoy it. I hope you enjoyed it too. Check out the rest of the videos. If you'd like me to do a specific drawing and let you know how I actually approached it and what techniques, what I'd done, what I found were beneficial, what were more difficult, please let me know. And subscribe and keep up to date with the shorts that I create as well. Thanks guys.